to temporarily delete Tinder account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to temporarily delete your Tinder account. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply log in or download the application in your mobile device and just open it. And once you are in your home screen, just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and over here you will see different options. Just simply go to the settings icons from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just scroll down and come at the bottom of the screen, and over here you will see two options. One is log out and the other is delete account. So just simply tap on it, and over here you have two options. Either you can pause your account and delete your account permanently. Since you want to delete your account temporarily, so all you can do is just simply click on pause my account. What it will does is that if you would like to keep your account but you don't want to show it to other, you can pause your account instead, and you can turn it off in the setting. So just simply tap on pause my account and it will pause your account, and your profile will be not showing to the other people who are using Tinder. So for now your profile has been temporarily deleted in that case. So when you open your home screen in the Tinder account, you can see that your card is hidden. So you have to enable discovery to meet new people, and when you click on enable discovery, your temporarily deleted Tinder account will be back again, and then you will be able to use it. So this is basically how you will be able to temporarily delete your Tinder account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.